Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can receive cryptocurrency like any crypto you want with Coinbase. So I installed Coinbase extension on Chrome basically, and I'm gonna show you how you can receive any crypto. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to upper right corner where you install your Coinbase extension. You're gonna left click on that and it's gonna open. So we're gonna wait for a little bit and here we go. So here is my profile. The first thing it's gonna show when you open the extension is the buy, swap, bridge, send and receive. What you're gonna do is actually very simple. You're gonna click on receive, left click on that, and here you have all the cryptocurrency addresses you want. So let's see, we need to receive Bitcoin. What you're gonna do is you're gonna left click on here, which is the QR code, and it's gonna show us the Bitcoin address, also the QR code which you can scan. But if you basically need to send your friend or someone the Bitcoin address so you can receive Bitcoin, you're just gonna copy here, left click on copy, and that's it. You can send whoever, whenever, and you can receive your Bitcoin. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching as always, and see you in the next one. Bye.